Although XRP had earlier been predicted to hit the $100 mark by the end of the year, the ongoing bearishness has the price of Bitcoin falling below the $50,000 resistance level, plunging the price of every other digital asset by almost 25%. Compared to their prices a few months back, these digital assets, including XRP, have dipped to lower lows. Yet holders are still optimistic that this asset class would see some significant uprise, as is customary given the time of the year. Seeing that XRP is only a third of the way to its most significant all-time high, now more than ever when the current status of cryptocurrencies within the US financial markets gets cleared, we expect to see some incredible price upturn for this digital asset. Welcome back to Make Money Online. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We'll be right back after this.
GSX is an unprecedented financial asset that combines the best elements of a traditional investment with the backing of a stablecoin and the use cases of many of the largest decentralized currencies like XRP.
It's no longer news that the blockchain industry is evolving and growing fast. This trend has been made possible all thanks to the recent developments in the fintech industry and the massive adoption of fintech solutions in 2021. Given the recent regulatory clampdown on crypto-related projects, precisely the ongoing case regarding the Ripple asset, it isn't out of line to ask yourself if XRP is a good investment these days. As the entire financial ecosystem is undergoing a paradigm shift, especially in digital currency regulations, the cryptoverse has continued to be at the center of it all. A lot has happened since the SEC filed an action against the blockchain remittance company behind our favorite crypto, Ripple Labs. However, the Ripple coin remains solid, as it remains on trend to pass for a good investment option within the digital asset space. The digital asset class, especially XRP, is in for a ride to the top once the price completes the much-anticipated consolidation, during which it would retest newer lows before retracing to price ranges above $1 and subsequently to those significant highs to two figures in the long run. Already we have widespread speculations where we have many folks referring to XRP as a perfect replacement for the entire banking system, which is going to have a significant impact on XRP's price and market cap. And just as Ripple is set to replace correspondent banks and cross-border payments, according to expert predictions, the subsequent result will see the replacement of Bitcoin with XRP. Before we can confidently ascertain whether or not XRP is worth investing in, we must first look at two crucial features used as a yardstick to measure that. First is the coin's utility. Does it have a market, a solid structure that could drive volumes? Given the platform's underlying distributed ledger technology, the Ripple platform represents a cryptocurrency project and a thoroughly secure transaction protocol that streamlines the process of borderless transfer of funds between banks. This means that Ripple solves a real-life problem. Hence, many financial institutions would eventually start using the Ripple technology as a payment and money transfer corridor between each other. For those who have been in this market for a couple of years, you'd agree with me that the recent trend about XRP and Ripple facing extinction following the SEC lawsuit is quite an ironic one, considering XRP has been in existence long before the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, Ethereum, and even going a step further to register some of the most significant gains year to date. Now, what does this mean for XRP in the future? As long as Ripple stays afloat in the aftermath of the ongoing lawsuit, successful with their case, successful lawsuit meaning either they get a settlement, which in my opinion would mean a victory for Ripple, or they flat out win, we could see an increase in volume for cross-border payments as Ripple focuses on bringing even newer use cases to XRP. Furthermore, based on the mentioned dynamics, XRP does not need the US because it's built upon decentralized technology. Hence, they don't need the authorization of any sovereign jurisdiction to operate. Judging by Ripple's ever-growing partnerships with over 350 banks and financial institutions from around the globe, dozens of which already use either Ripple's products or the platform's protocol as a safe and secure way to transfer money, we could firmly affirm that 2021 has been an excellent year for XRP to enter new corridors and horizons, as we expect the subsequent years to bear fruitful returns. As such, XRP has registered itself among the most profitable assets with the most significant year-to-date gains, and was deemed among the most promising investment choices of 2021. And in preparation for the exponential gains that would see the holders of these digital assets growing to millions of dollars, the Ripple team has gone even further to lead the trend in certain fronts, such as the CBDC space. The next generation of the world's financial landscape will be based on the central bank digital currency. Every government and every central bank is going to have its own CBDC. Whereas Ripple and XRP stand to be at the heart of all this, its platform entails a core constituent that would power the entire ecosystem and see to the worldwide adoption of its XRP token. Moreover, the value of XRP is increasing day by day, With the projects Ripple is partnered with, there's no doubt that it would explode, as many propose it might even grow to become the new Bitcoin someday. But how would this help make XRP the future 1% of the world? Well, let's find out. XRP is also spearheading the trend in creating a secure, fast, cheap, and a highly sustainable decentralized remittance settlement platform for cross-border payments. These many unique features of the Ripple coin are among the reasons why all of these banks and financial institutions are lining up in queues to pledge their allegiance to the Ripple platform. And as these third-party agents have decided to use the XRP token or any of Ripple's products, the demand for XRP increases. With the total supply reducing as Ripple burns its tokens over time, the value of this asset would hit significant highs. If you're an XRP holder, be sure to make good use of your hodling period by participating in the ongoing Sologenic airdrop, which is set to disburse $1 billion in Solo tokens as rewards to XRP holders and holders of the platform's native Solo coins. As the Sologenic platform intends to juice the new marketplace ecosystem while adding some grease to the wheels of XRP's liquidity engines, the platform will be airdropping 200 million of its native Solo tokens, specifically to investors that hold the Solo coin or the XRP tokens. Following a recent announcement from the company, this exercise will be conducted through the help of a snapshot token, which will be taken on December 24th. Sologenic will divvy up 200 million Solo apiece among the eligible XRP and Solo accounts, especially to investors who establish trust line from their private wallet to the Sologenic platform, will receive their tokens on January 20th. Irrespective of the ongoing lawsuit against Ripple, the growth potential of the XRP coin, although stifled, is not hampered, seeing how the San Francisco-based company has been making giant strides through its partnerships with several financial institutions across the globe. Due to these collaborations, even amidst the ongoing Ripple versus SEC lawsuit, XRP has been maintaining a fairly reasonable price that's gotten experts predicting the digital asset possibly reaching $5 to $10 very soon. And suppose you've been following on with this channel, in that case you should know by now that XRP is currently in the third wave of its lifetime, as we expect to see this coin trading around 2-3 figures by 2022, and rising to about 4 to 5 figures and possibly 10,000 per XRP coin between 2025 and 2030, when Ripple's collaborative efforts fully roll in and come into play. At this point, one thing is for sure, the price of this digital asset is going to enter into a bear trend, first, for a considerable period of maybe 3 years, just as seen in the past, before consolidating and getting ready for the last lap of the 5-wave trend bull run scheduled to elapse in 2026. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. And make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And we'll see you next time.
Hollywood perfect. That's how it goes. Hollywood perfect.